Hello, hello. My name is Dorian, joined by my wife and celebrity menswear stylist, Ashley Weston.
Hi there.
So fellas, today we've got a new addition to the Worth It series. So I've been wearing these for about 2 weeks now, right Ash?
Yeah.
And so I think from your perspective, it's interesting to hear what you love about them.
Yeah.
And then we'll talk about what I loved about them, and then we'll talk about.
Especially since you use them. So,
since I am the user, you are the person who hands it to the user to then use, and then they give it back to you. So let's talk about, Ash, what we love about the sneaker, the Reid sneaker by Beckett Simonon.
So these are made out of full grain leather, fantastic. Great craftsmanship. Love the super clean design. There is literally not one logo on the outside of this sneaker.
Love it.
It's fantastic. I actually think it gives all the luxury sneaker brands out there a run for their money when it comes to a clean, sleek sneaker like this.
And I have to say, they're really damn comfortable. For a sneaker like this, kind of flat sole, straight up, they are very cushiony, and I really like that they actually give you additional inserts as well. I opened it up and I was like, wait, what is it? What are these black things in here? Oh, they're additional inserts. Very few brands actually do that, and I like their different ones too. You can add just a little more cushion, you can add more cushion. Frankly, I don't use them because they've been very comfortable. And I have to say, Ash, they're very soft and supple as well. The leather, that full grain leather, is really good, and I like it a lot. I also really like that they come in multiple colorways.
Yep.
I prefer the white because I need a nice clean white sneaker, but they have other options as well. So Ash, what else do you like about these? What's another pro of the shoe?
Ooh, free shipping and returns.
So the best part, if you don't like them or for whatever reason they don't live up to expectations, just return them.
Yep.
It's all free, costs you nothing. And the last, I think, pro of these shoes, definitely not least, is that for this type of quality, I gotta say, the price is pretty damn good. And what is that price, Ashley?
$149.
So 150 bucks, free shipping, free returns. You get really soft, supple, full grain leather, very comfortable sneaker, variety of colors. I like white, with really clean design. No logos whatsoever on it. They're hitting every point for me. Literally every single point. I don't know if that's the same for you.
It is.
Let's get into the cons. And what do you feel is a downside of the shoe, if there is any?
So I was thinking really long and hard about this, and I think this is the first time during this Worth It series, when we're talking about pros and cons, that I don't have a con whatsoever. I love the design. The design is awesome. So, and then the user experience from you is fantastic. So I'm sorry, there is not anything that I would improve upon in terms of the design of this shoe.
And again, these are the ones I've been wearing for the last couple of weeks. I haven't even cleaned them, which is wonderful. I've been, obviously I'm not stepping in mud puddles to try and dirty them up. So my one con, the one thing I will say, for whatever reason, this little edge right here feels like it could be like a 1/4 inch taller. I'm getting very nitpicky, obviously, but I got long legs, equally long ankles and stuff, so this probably won't be a problem for anyone else. And it could be the pair of socks I was wearing with them or something like that. Maybe it was a little slippery, but it just felt like maybe it just needs to be just slightly taller. And again, I think it just might be me more than anything. So I'm sorry to put it as a con.
That was a lame con.
Well, I'm doing what I can to be, fair and balanced here, but I really, outside of that, I don't really have one.
Yeah,
but
I
I noticed it, so I got to bring it up. So the ultimate question, the reason we're all here, are the Beckett Simonon Reid sneakers worth it or not?
Yes, they are.
Unequivocally, is there any reason they would not be worth it?
No, other than the fact that Simonon is really hard to pronounce, but Simonon, I mean, that's a little tough to pronounce, but other than that, I mean, I'm sorry, the shoe is great. The price point for the quality is fantastic.
I have to say, I 100% agree. These are my go-to white sneakers. When I got them, it was like, okay, I'll give it another shot. I mean, we do these pretty regularly. And sometimes I'm not quite impressed. Sometimes, pretty good. Other times, like this time, these are freaking fantastic. So you should absolutely pick them up. Again, they come in different colors, so if you don't like the all white look, totally fine. Check the link in the description below to grab a pair for yourself. Again, I can't stress enough, free shipping, free returns. Why not just grab them?
You got nothing to lose.
Send them back. Yeah, there's literally nothing you lose. All right, so fellas, thumbs if you liked this video, subs if you loved it. If you want to see us review some other items in the Worth It series, hit the comments section below and let us know. That's how we sometimes learn about these guys. So definitely let us know. Fellas, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.